CeraVe's Blemish Control Cleanser is a powerhouse cleanser formulated by dermatologists, carrying a potent formulation with 2% salicylic acid and purifying clay to target blemishes, reduce blackheads, and improve the appearance of pores. Like the potent salicylic acid, the cleanser carries vital ingredients renowned for maintaining skin health and treating mild acne. CeraVe has always stood tall as a skincare brand with dermatologist-developed formulas, emphasizing skin barrier health through essential ceramides and other key ingredients. In today's video, we will break down the numerous benefits of the CeraVe's Blemish Control Cleanser and guiding you step by step through its correct application in your skincare routine. So what are the key ingredients in this cleanser? The first ingredient is 2% salicylic acid, which is a powerful BHA exfoliant that unclogs pores and stimulates cell renewal, working primarily on the skin surface to remove dead skin cells and excess sebum, thereby visibly reducing blackheads and the appearance of pores. The next ingredient is purifying clay, which works by absorbing oil, providing a matte finish to your skin and reducing the appearance of clogged pores thanks to its oil absorbing technology. The next ingredient is niacinamide, known as vitamin B3, which is a soothing ingredient that comforts the skin and reduces irritation, increasing hydration and barrier health. And finally, 3 essential ceramides. These hydrate and support the skin's moisture barrier, securing it from external aggressors and preventing moisture loss. All of these ingredients are essential when it comes to helping with breakouts and acne. So why does CeraVe's Blemish Control Cleanser stand out? The unique gel formula transforms into a light foaming wash, ensuring a deep cleanse without stripping your skin of its natural moisture. A gentle yet effective approach to blemish control and oily skin. So how do you use this cleanser in your skincare routine? You first want to begin with wetting your face with lukewarm water and apply a pump or 2 of the cleanser, gently massaging it into your face, neck, and décolletage in a circular motion. You'll then want to rinse thoroughly and pat your skin dry. At nighttime, you want to double cleanse the skin. You'll then follow with water-based serums, then oil-based serums, and finish with a moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated, enhancing the skin barrier protection offered by the 3 essential ceramides in the cleanser. Now, this cleanser is tailored for oily skin that is prone to mild acne, working to reduce blemishes and the appearance of pores and blackheads. So if you do have dry or compromised skin, you want to opt for a different CeraVe cleanser. As with all new skincare products, start with a patch test to ensure you have no reaction to the product. If you want to learn more about how to treat acne, then you definitely need to check out these videos here next.